In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on keyboard shortcuts in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This will open the Quick Settings panel on the right side of the page. At the top of that panel, click See All Settings. This will take you to the full Gmail settings page where you can configure different features and preferences. Make sure you are on the General tab, which is usually the default tab when the settings page opens. If you are on a different tab, simply click General at the top. Next, scroll down through the settings until you find the section called Keyboard Shortcuts. In some accounts, this feature is turned off by default, so you may see that it's currently disabled. To enable it, select the radio button labeled Keyboard Shortcuts On. This will activate Gmail's built-in keyboard shortcuts so you can perform actions more quickly using your keyboard instead of clicking with your mouse. After turning the option on, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Once you reach the bottom, click the Save Changes button to apply the new setting. Gmail will refresh the page and your keyboard shortcuts will now be active. With keyboard shortcuts enabled, you can start using quick key combinations to navigate your inbox, archive messages, compose emails, and manage your mailbox more efficiently. If you later decide that you no longer want to use keyboard shortcuts, you can simply return to the same settings page. Go back to the keyboard shortcuts section and select the option to turn it off, then scroll down and click Save Changes again to apply the change. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.